Well, I think we're seeing a lot of positivity in the front office. I think traders have been staring down the barrel of extinction for a long time at the hands of algorithmic trading. And that's starting to change a little bit. I think the regulation is pushing traders to redefine their roles, which is a good thing. And they're moving from becoming dealers into sort of execution specialists. The regulation is demanding greater focus on analytics and data, and obviously to prove best execution. And that's a good thing from our perspective, because it allows us to do more with what we have. The rules-based order routing approach also can take care of a lot of the nuisance trades and route them down the automated algorithm route, leaving the trader to focus on the bigger trades, the ones with greater market impact that are really going to move the needle, thereby using all the tools at their disposal to really add alpha to the investment process. So I think traders are starting to realize that now, and the ones that are going to be successful are the ones that really grasp the new technology that's out there and their new position in the investment process. So one of the things we did a few months ago was set up the Eze MiFID working group, and that's comprised of people in product strategy, management and development, as well as sales engineers and some consultants and some sales. And the role of that MiFID working group is to really dig into the requirements. We've torn apart the documentation and try to understand which parts of our system can be enhanced to really benefit the buy side. The first thing we've done is develop the TCA working group, and we've been interviewing a lot of our clients to drill into their requirements on the pre, intra and post-trade side. We've done about 30 interviews now with those clients, so we're very pleased to have such a network of clients that really want to get involved with us. That's been facilitated by our consultant-based approach to support. We're very much integrated with our clients, we're not just observing. So out of that TCA working group, we've got a lot of information. We've also done a lot of analysis into what's out there in the market. And that's led to quite a coherent strategy about enhancing our own analytics within the platform, but also partnering with maybe some independent providers that we think are probably the best in the market. So we're looking at the order blotter as really the central focus, and then bolting onto that all of the analytics that the trader needs. So one of the things we've also done is integrate the OMS compliance engine into the EMS, which allows traders, particularly point and click traders, to trade directly out of the EMS, therefore accessing the market a lot faster, but still having the protection of the compliance engine that's going to check their UCITS rules at the portfolio level, their restricted list, their long ownership rules. And we're going to be building more on the compliance engine as well as we look towards MiFID, so things like the commodities position limits, the dark pool caps, all of that's going to be put into the compliance engine to protect our clients. And then finally, we're looking at commission management as well. So we've got a suite of commission management products. They've recently just been re-architected. They're now fully cloud-based. And so we have a tool for broker voting. It's incredibly flexible, brand new design. And we have a CSA management tool as well, which is going to be particularly relevant under the RPAs that are been set up. So I think we're very excited. We're certainly very heavily involved in making changes to account for MiFID, and we look forward to providing that to the industry.